we have different options available here in the equations. We can convert the equation into linear equation or into professional one. We can write our own equation here. Okay, epsilon. We have sinusoidal functions. We have matrices available. We have operators. So it's a very good and powerful tool for writing down equations. Next, so we have studied the basics of PowerPoint in this presentation. We have studied the basic functions, how to insert a picture, how to insert a video, how to give different animation effects to them, slide transitions, different sort of designs of the slide, and so we have learned all the basics to make a good presentation. Okay. Moreover, we have also learned how to insert a table, how to insert a pie chart, how to insert different schematics, sequence diagrams. So as we have learned basics today, I would show you a sample presentation, and you must see this presentation and try to learn how to make a good presentation. As first of all, we have a slide as initial slide, Bismillah Rahman Rahim, and there is a preamble. In the preamble, there is often a video or a sort of things that link and is relatable to your topic, that draws the attention of the audience towards your topic, and then you start your formal presentation writing with the heading here. Then you write your name here. You can write the number of slides. You can also write the estimated time. In the footer, you can add the topic of your presentation and also the slide number. It looks good in formal presentations. We can see that a decent background is chosen here, that is dark blue and is visible to the audience. You must write the aim of the presentation. You Before starting a presentation, you must write the sequence of the presentation. Here you can see the animation that was set it here. Going to the history, you don't need to concentrate towards the topic of the presentation. You need to have an idea how to make a good presentation. We can see the size here. The size of the bullets here has 36. The top bullet, this bullet has 30. Okay, and just below the bullet there is a picture that is evenly adjusted from the right and left side and the bottom side as well. Now if there are two pictures, they must be balanced. Okay, now look at this slide. You can see the size of the text here as 32. When I come below, it's 28. The difference of 4, as I told you in the beginning, 4. And there's text on the left half side and picture on the right half side of the slide, which looks very good in this scenario, and as it looks aesthetically better. For example, if I brought the picture here, bring the picture here, it will look more distorted. So left side is chosen as the text and right side as the picture, and is adjusted. One thing you must remember, if the same heading is repeated, you can write it down as, you can write a small CONTD, means continued with this text, or you can also write it in the bracket, but avoid giving similar headings to every slide. Okay, here we can see a good sequence diagram, schematic diagram. You can see well written bullets here. Same keys are used for encryption and decryption, symmetric decryption. Okay, these are not lengthy sentences, although they are lengthy sentences, but whenever you are writing a bullet, you must write something that can explain, that is brief. that can explain the idea. You don't need to write paragraphs here in the bullets. Okay, now we will see here that the animation is arranged in a very better way. Okay, look at how well the animation was arranged. Now you, as I told you about this, the design has been given to the picture, to its outline in the design or format section. See, as I told you, the size of the bullets is being decreased by the number of 4. So a good presentation is made in this way. We must also write the conclusion after writing the main body so that the audience attention can be drawn here, that what has been concluded by this presentation. They must know. You must always remember that the purpose of the presentation is to tell audience, first of all, you have to show them what you have said. Then you have to again show them that what was said. And in the end, you must again show them that the thing that was told them throughout the presentation was this. I hope that I was able to understand my narrative conclusion, and also you must always add this slide of thank you and questions in the end. It looks good in formal presentations. Thank you very much. I hope we have understood something by today's lecture. If not, the house is always open, the class is always open for question and answers. I hope you have learned something. Try to practice it in your leisure time, in your homes. Try to make presentations. The more you will make presentation, the more you will be better at making them. Okay, so I hope you all are fine, and thank you very much for your listening. Allah Hafiz.